Friends, in my previous lecture, we have to discuss how to pass this keyword as argument in a method. In my current video lecture, we are going to discuss how to pass this keyword as argument in a constructor with the practical demonstration. Here I am using the Eclipse as IDE, and first of all I have to click on the file and then new. Take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name, and simply I am giving my project name as this as argument in constructor demo, and click on the next and then finish. My project displayed under the project explorer, and I am going to explore my project, and then right click on this RC folder, click on the new and take a class. Here we need to write my class name, and I am going to write my class name or giving my class name as employee, and check public static void main method stub, and then click on the finish. My employee class is successfully created here, and with the main method I am going to create three variables of employee class, and int emp id string, and I am initialize the value as a 1, and then string emp name equal Ram, and string emp city equal Delhi, and terminated with semicolon, and save it. I am going to create another class. Right click on SRC folder, new, and take another class. Here we need to write my class name, and simply I am giving my class name as A. We don't have need to check the public static void main method because I have already taken main method within the employee class. So click on the finish. My A class is successfully created here, and I am simply creating here the object of the employee class and a constructor of the A class, passing here the employee class object, and within the body right here this dot emp equal emp, and then going to create a method public void display. Within the body I am going to write the system dot out dot println, and passing here the calling first emp dot emp id, then providing the space, and then emp dot emp name, and then providing the space, and then emp dot emp city. Okay, look here. First I have to create the employee class object as emp, and then a constructor A of the A class, and passing here the employee class object argument as a emp, and assign this emp object into this emp object. And the compiler is very much confused here. Due to this I am using this keyword for calling this emp within the body of the A constructor, A class constructor, and you well understand this concept. Means I am going to assign the emp info into this emp info, this emp object, and with the help of this emp I am calling here the emp id, emp name, and emp city variable, the value of all these variables will be printed onto the screen when we call the display method. Okay, and save it. Within imply class, I am going to create the constructor of the imply class, and within the body of constructor, creating the object of the A class, and here we need to pass the object of the imply class. So I'm simply write here this, passing here the current class object, because this refers the current class instance. So if you pass here this, means you are passing the object of the imply class, and with the help of OPG I am calling here the display method, and within the main method I am creating the object of the imply class, emp equal new employee, and my work is done here. And when the object of the imply class created here, when the constructor call, it's automatically initialize the value of emp id as a 1, emp name as a Ram, and emp city as a Delhi. This value printed with the help of display method come inside a class, and look here. Here I am passing the class imply class object emp. With the help of this emp, we will print the value of emp id, emp name, and emp city come inside the imply class. This is the statement. This is the statement where we are going to pass this as a argument in constructor. Okay, and everything is done. So save it and run it. Right click on the project and run as Java application. Okay, the output is 1 Ram and Delhi displayed onto the console. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.